All stunts performed in this video are done in a controlled professional environment where no one is able to get hurt.
What's the word? It's your boy Summer Walker 797. Make sure you like, tune in, and subscribe. Got something real litty baby for you. We in the meal. Finna go crazy. Where everybody go?
Please stop! You better stop, James! He running! Oh, that's a foot chase. Don't say foot!
I guess stay in this crib right here. We're in the meal, takeover time. Don't miss the most hilarious scene from Weenie Boy in the back. You feel me? Oh, we got Traco, Hellcat, BMW. We got, let me show y'all something.
Life like this sure is sweet, huh?
It definitely is. W, you got everything out here. Feel me? I don't know.
I'm a little scuff.
About that over there, we're gonna leave that alone. Yeah, y'all tune in. What's your boy? Gonna walk in the crib.
Oh my God. Hey, that nigga Scott's
People give up right before they get what they've always wanted to get.
Yeah, never give up. Never give up. Never give up. That's what I gotta say. You know what this
Gotta have that Red Bull. Summer edition.
Summer edition. You feel me? Summer edition.
Had a Red Bull last night. I really like Red Bull. Got a new necklace. Glows in the dark. But you can't really see it right now unless you do this.
Let's go! Oh, snap! Is he clowning St. Louis?
It's fun to stay at the
How you coming? You ready?
Man, you don't sit your lanky ass down.
It's warm. Chicago, LA. Damn, nigga, you just said you're staying in my crib.
What about me? He gonna show y'all some love.
You can't homie hop.
I'm a homie hopper nigga. Alright.
I'm sorry. All up on my people. He telling everybody I don't think no crib.
797.
All in my stomach. Gotta be slanted. From the bed, rip on my trance. You know that it's lit. House baby tweaking with my nigga. You fake assholes trying to get with my nigga. You see him with a bad bitch. You don't get no bigger. I don't fuck
Bro, it's like they ain't shaking no ass.
Now that's what I'm talking about. I want to see it shaking just like that.
Bro, what an ass shaking is.
This how it go down in Iraq. You feel me? Yo, this legal pit was crazy. It was like 300 people there. I'm talking about wasn't no ass shaking no, but you know what I'm talking about. Man, it was car slap.
Y'all boring. Y'all real boring. I need a home. Y'all boring.
This a day and a night of Summer Walker. Stay tuned. This an episode coming soon.
Need a Don Julio.
Chanel when I'm gonna buy for it. Check my schedule, scratch that shit off, I got time for it. You fuck with the bricks, they ain't gon' treat you how to treat you, baby. Niggas be staying yo. Then when they see me, be trying to dab me up. Fuck nigga make me mad, we get on his ass. They know we fast shit up. I know a nigga still be alive, his bitch homies ain't gas him up. Niggas be yelling out gang, but really ain't gang. These niggas ain't dead enough. Soon as we get that drop, I throw my chop, you know we pulling up. Niggas be talking about hats, ain't got no hats. These niggas ain't killed him.
Yo, in the meal, Summer Walker 797. Make sure you like, tune in, and subscribe. Got that. We in the meal, finna go crazy. Got the doors off. Oh, it's cold. What is 50 degrees out here? But you know, I do it for the tube. You feel me? So stay tuned. It's finna be lit. We got like 12 cats, 5 Trackhawks. You know, I'm the only Wrangler. 500 horse plus.
I apologize to the whole family just for being selfish. But the whole time I was focused on making the family well.
All stunts performed in this video are done in a controlled professional environment where no one is able to get hurt.
And we following 50 cars right now. It was so many people. It's like 300 people in here. I'm keeping up with everybody.
The man can donate money, you know that's all moms, cause they ask for it. I don't too much play with niggas, I'll get on your ass for cracking jerk. You know I got big up on my got it smart, play about my brothers. Magic phone up, catch out, my bitch is finna eat, don't spit it out, she always swallow. I'm surrounded by all these killers, all the slang, need a taco. My God, trust me with the burning constants, like I'm on the up, she says like that, just how I like it. She says like that, just how I like it. In the way I've been up, she says like that, just how
All stunts performed in this video are done in a controlled professional environment where no one is able to get hurt.
I just need a Don Julio. I just need a Don Julio.
October 11th, October 12th, and 13th, and 14th, I was intoxicated. I drank all of those days.
I just need a Don Julio. She just wanna smoke cause she wanna bun. But this my Don, it's not yours.
All stunts performed in this video are done in a controlled All stunts performed in this video are done in a controlled professional environment where no one is able to get All stunts performed in this video are done in a controlled professional environment where no one is able to get hurt.
I don't believe I would do that.
Right here.
Fuck me good nigga, make me swerve. I'm in everything, me I'm first. Take you off when you finna lay. So don't shoot this shit on my butt. He got a bitch, I don't get no love. All these niggas belong to us. Raw dog, put it in my guts.
All stunts
Shit, that nigga had me scared, but I held my own. Fuck that.
Milwaukee craziest takeover, going bananas in here. 300 people.
I
Leave me then come put this in your kidney, spit in my face when you fall. Play with my coach while you suck. Eat the dick like you was ugly. Hold on, wait, or your friend bring your body. I don't think that you would.
Shit at all.
Hey, smooth ain't on this button. This is Star.
Hell no, I got too many people.
In my head, this played out way differently. Fireworks everywhere. I'm sliding the Wrangler. Clearly, we all, oh God.
What up? I got something to say.